Okay, so in case you're looking for some help to get your Pixel installed, there's a really great website that I want to show you. This website is called Fiverr, okay? Just go to fiverr.com and then there's a search box. And what you should enter here is the search term remarketing pixel or retargeting pixel. There are plenty of sellers offering the service to install the pixel for you, like this guy, okay? So for only $5, he will basically add your Facebook or Google remarketing or tracking pixel to your WordPress website. It's pretty easy to do. You just place an order, you pay these $5, then you get an email from the seller. He will request the necessary information to access your website. Then you just send him the pixel code and he will just install it for you. So it's $5. It's really easy to do, and if you don't want to do it yourself, I can just highly encourage you to take a look at Fiverr and just book a gig.